Welcome to CylinderHead Casting Workshop.
Hello everyone. This is a casting workshop of our CylinderHead sand core. All the CylinderHead sand cores here are one-to-one restored BIOS. One cylinder head configuration from the original OEM. This core can only be used once. Once the sand core is ready, we'll install it. An aluminum mortar is poured on top of the pouring mold. The whole casting took about a minute. Of course, some of the products poured also hot. Many are unqualified. The substandard products we put over here, a process of secondary reheating is carried out. And then over here, the camera comes here. This is probably a first model of cylinder head pouring. You can see it's divided into two parts. One is the body of the cylinder head. One is a cylinder cup. Cylinder cup. We're going to cut it out. Of course, the cleaning material for this part of the scrub. We also do secondary recycling. Listen to the sound over here. Do you know what it is? This is a process of our cylinder head hardening. We machine the cylinder head. Its hardness is not up to a standard for a shipment. We'll do one on the cylinder head first. Temperature and high temperature heating. When the temperature reaches a certain level, put it in cold water and let it cool. All the way down. It is a hardness that will increase the cylinder head. It is a hardness that will increase the cylinder head. Processing details.
Alright, welcome to Ziptech's channel. We are currently in Ziptech's cylinder head machining shop. Next, let me take you to see what our workshop is doing. Come with me, please. Our Ziptech products are very large. It's also very detailed. We can see that over here is Renault. The model is K7M. We're going to put it into our workspace right now. Let it finish its machining. Every machine on our end, only one process can be completed. Every one of our processes. After the completion of this batch, then move on to the next machine. It is because of this that every process is strictly controlled. Our products can appear in front of everyone with quality and quantity. Now you can see that our workshop is very busy producing your products. And you can see us over here. It's a Mitsubishi or D56 cylinder heads. Now the product is finishing its machining, ready to be transported to the next workshop by our forklift truck. The above is to introduce you the production scale of Ziptech's cylinder head machining shop and his current job. Right now we're in Ziptech's cylinder head machining shop. So let's take a look at the process we're working on. Hello, mister. Woo, what we're seeing here is this worker operating. May I ask what kind of process is being operated now?
She's working on the product sanding and remove burrs around the product. If there's a burr, we'll clean it up and make sure there are no burrs around the product. Keep product surfaces clean and tidy.
Okay, thank you very much General Wu for that introduction. Our products are precisely because of such quality control, can be more perfect in front of you. Let's go to the next step, to understand how our products appear in front of you. What is the next step we need to recognize? Come with me, please. Hello, mister. We are now seeing the workers doing the inspection site. Would it be convenient for you to tell us about it?
Okay, let me tell you about it. This is mainly to do the product airtightness test. Put the product in the water and deflate it. Then hold the pressure for 3 minutes to see if it bubbles. If there is bubbling, it proves that the product is leaking and unqualified. If it does not bubble, it is qualified.
introduction. Our products are better suited to everyone's needs precisely because of the airtightness test. So let's move on to the next step. You want to know what it is? Come with me. Welcome back to Ziptic. We are currently in the Ziptic cylinder head machining shop. We can see what the worker in front is doing is a measurement of the size of the thread hole. We can see how this process works. It is precisely because of our Ziptic's strict control of every process. Only then will a perfect product be presented to you. This is the situation of our Ziptic cylinder head processing workshop. Welcome to learn about and follow Ziptic. Thank you.